y'all doing? How y'all doing out there? And we're back. This is your boy Perez of the World. Yeah, I'm coming in and we try to zero in on just to kind of let some of the people who don't know about us just what it is that we do. We make music. That's what we do. You know, production, writing is one of the key elements that is behind the name Pearl to the World. Of course, and we enjoy singing and performing as well. So anyway, here's another record, The Sound of Love. We hope you enjoy it. Hey, that's the sound of love. That's the sound of love, y'all. Ooh. Can I get a witness? Oh, hey. That's the sound of love, yeah, yeah. That's the sound of love, hey, ooh. That's the sound of love. That's the sound of love. Say. Shoot up,